We went to KubeCon, and that's where we started to meet interesting people from Kubernetes to grow connections. And over time, they started pinging us, hey, can you assist on this? Can you assist on that? And that's how I started to work the Kubernetes ecosystem. So yeah, those conferences, even KubeCon is amazing. We met and created some really good connections there. Yeah, I met a lot of people whom reach out for assistance on Kubernetes.
I pull a couple of things out of that that's really meaningful and I think could help other people who are trying to make this transition. I think, especially in this post COVID world, we all have a tendency to want to do everything virtually. Heck, we're recording a podcast while thousands of miles away from each other. But there's a huge amount of value in in-person FaceTime in large open source communities. There's a huge amount of noise out there that hits people who work on those large open source communities. But that usually is not the case for someone who comes up to you at a conference or in person and shows that type of interest. So don't discount the fact that you were at the KubeCon, you were present. That made a big difference. And the other one is that clearly, if they kept pulling you in, you were doing things that were trustworthy, right? Like you were providing good work, you were moving through. And that's really the trick to almost every active open source project, especially if it's sort of corporately governed in the way that OpenStack or Kubernetes is that you just have to go in there, get noticed, and develop a little bit of trust, and that'll grow over time.